Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Lito X1. In this video I'll show you how to change Bypass Obstacle Avoidance Mode. In the beginning, let's go to DJI App, select Go Fly, go to Settings, and next select Bypass. Here you can change bypassing option between normal and Nifty. When controlling aircraft via control sticks and Nifty bypassing is enabled, aircraft avoids obstacles with more subtle altitude change and flies more smoothly, but is of increased collision risk. Use this function with caution. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.